Menteri Rangba Khubor Konrad Kesang mah ne kasngi arpun riu terik rempang ulaong baka sorkar jela kabu thong ban aikam Haduh palat san lak Ngut ki Samla hakini ki Snem banwan. Haba jubab halor kajingkli bawanra adu MLA kanong ston ba Gabriel Walang hayang dorbar Menteri Rangba ulaong ba kite ki kam ki kentup nadu kasengkam lajong kum hakarep karyang haka tourism haka NRLM CM Elevate IT Park bat bon kiwe.
Sir, this is the greatness of our assembly. Even those who don't want to ask questions have been given a chance to ask questions. Sir, of course, these are larger figures and overall figures. And just to give an idea to everybody how the breakup it looks like, so that they'll get an idea on their own what will be the organized and the unorganized. So we're targeting that we should create in the agriculture and allied sectors. We are expecting to create about 2.5 lakh job opportunities in the next 4 years. Sir, in the different NRLM, which sir, again has been a very, very successful model, you'll be happy to know, sir, that in the last 5 years, we have created 1 lakh job opportunities for women in the NRLM sector, and these are all and employ at least about 50% from there. So about 1,000 we expect, 60,000 we expect that we'll be able to employ from there. So tourism is going to be a great job creator. We expect direct to indirect tourism projects to be created approximately about 50,000 based on the kind of investments that we have made in the past and the investments that we will be making in the future. Under the CM Elevate program, so again a very, very progressive and a program that's meant for the different youths of our state especially. We expect a minimum of 50,000 jobs to be created because we'll be supporting over 20,000 enterprises in this, some small, some big. So we expect a large number to be created in the IT sector. There is a second phase of the IT park in Shillong which is under work, and the new IT park in Tura also will be there. So we expect direct, indirect employment of almost 25,000 to be created in the IT sector. And sir, other government programs and other things that we plan to do within the government organization, where a large number of people will be employed, may not be permanent employment, but on contractual basis, consultants, other things from, I think all these jobs will create at least a minimum of 10,000 more jobs within the department. So we expect that we should touch 35 plus. I have given conservative numbers in some, so therefore I stick with my figure of 5.5. But in the budget, of course, we have mentioned only 5 lakhs, keeping a buffer of 10%.
Thank you. Any other?